back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to auto summarize emails in Gmail with AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to auto summarize emails in Gmail with AI, then all you gotta do is simply go to Gemini. So email in Gmail can be auto-summarized with built-in AI like Gemini for Google Workspace user. So if you're gonna click on your Gmail and if you're gonna integrate it with your Gemini that is provided by Google Workspace with a click or by setting up automated workflows with third-party tools like Relay or workload to trigger AI models like Anthropic on new emails, you can save summaries to sheets or Slack. So the easiest way for individuals is the Gemini button within the Gmail interface for instant summaries, while automation tools offer different deep integration for team-wide or complex process. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.